So today we will do the skirt with waistband, patch pocket with flap and inseam pocket. So first cut all your pieces, then stitch all the darts, then start with the inseam pocket. So for the inseam pocket, place your fabric right side means one piece of pocket and your front and mark like C as you can see in the video, then stitch it. So once you stitch it, cut the seam allowance inside 1/4, then slash both the corner. After slashing the corner, turn to wrong side and it will take a shape like C. So that is the opening of the pocket. Now place other fabric which you have cut for the pocket, place it and give a French seam, or you can overlock it also. So for the better finishing you can do French seam. Do not stitch the area which are falling at the waist. So just stitch the cover part till the waistline. So as you can see, I am doing French seam here. So my pocket is about to complete, is completed now. So place it, then place the back side seam on it. So you will place right side together and then stitch on the side seam. So when you are stitching, your pocket opening will be between your front and back. So be careful when you are stitching. You can feel the opening by your finger. So wherever is the opening, you just need to back tack. Back tack will provide the strength to the pocket. So just stitch it and finish it. So my right hand side seam is finished. So we'll give the opening at the left hand side seam. So what we'll do is we'll finish with the continuous placket. So the continuous placket is for the opening. So I have cut 2 inches width, 10 inches length fabric for the continuous placket. So I will leave 5 inches from the waist and then the rest I will stitch. So I will put here the continuous placket. So as you can see, I place the fabric like a piping and done the continuous placket. Now I will finish the skirt with waistband. If your waist is 25, so you need fabric 25 and half and plus seam allowance. So I have taken visible width is 1 inches, so I need 3 inches fabric, so 3 inches width and 26 and half length. So I will finish first both the end. So after finishing both the end, I will place right side together from the side seam and stitch it. So we will start with one opening to the another opening, stitch it properly. Do not pull any of the fabric, which means either the waistband or your skirt. So I have attached the one layer. Now I will put all the seam allowance to inside and iron the skirt. After ironing, I will stitch it from the right side of the fabric. So as you can see the stitch at the back. So I am finishing the waistband. So my skirt is now completed, and this is the opening where I can put hook and eye, or you can put button also. Now I will start with the patch pocket. For the patch pocket we need your pocket and two flap. So first finish the band of the pocket. Now turn all the seam allowance inside and iron it properly. So you can see. So now I'm finishing the flap first. So I've faced right side together, then stitch the side, cut it by 1/8 to 1/4 and turn it outside. So now my flap is almost ready. Iron it and stitch at the edges. So one stitch will be visible. So that is finished. So now I will put the pocket. For the pocket you just need to mark it properly where you are placing. So I am marking it. I will pull the one layer, place it and start stitching. So place the pocket properly and start stitching 1/4 inside from the pocket edge. That will provide the strength to the pocket opening. stitch all over around and end with 1/4 inside also. So you can see the shape here. So patch pocket is completed. Now I will put the flap. For the flap, just place 1/2 inch up from the pocket opening, stitch it, cut the seam allowance and stitch 1/4 from the top. So 1/4 stitch will be visible